Go to England, you study, you come back. At what point did you come to Bulawayo?
Straight away. I got back to Harare, and when I was there, I was asked by the chairman of the Evangelical Fellowship of Zimbabwe to come to Bulawayo to help with the Theological College of Zimbabwe, which needed some help because the missionaries that were there had left. And so when I got here, I was confronted with the reality of Kukuraundi, which I could not walk away from.
So how was it like first week coming here? Were you fluent in Ndebele?
I could not speak Ndebele at all, but thank God my first studies in the UK, I learned Greek and Hebrew languages. So I basically went into the library of the college, got books from Pelling and Schenk, and I taught myself to read and to write and to speak Ndebele.
Were you accepted by the people, the church? Like back then, I think it was the height of Kukuraundi and the Shona young men.
I think they accepted me for a number of reasons. First and foremost, I had lost my Shona accent. And secondly, I was told that I didn't behave like a Shona, which I didn't know. I didn't understand what it meant. And thirdly, I loved people. I still love people, and therefore I came here in my ignoramus. I didn't know what was going on, so that helped me because I didn't come here with an attitude. So it just helped me, which was wonderful.